I've heard there was the secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Now, maybe there's a God above. As for me, all I ever learned from love is how to shoot at someone who outdrew you. But it's not a cry that you hear tonight. It's not some pilgrim who claims to have seen the light. No, it's a cold and it's a very broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I've been here before. I know this room and I've walked this floor. You see, I used to live alone before I knew you. And I've seen your flag on the Marble Arch. But listen, love is not some kind of victory march. No, it's a cold and it's a very lonely hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.